Hello guys, so welcome to KO tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the texturing of this particular exterior over here. So let's start. So let's go into the material editor and let's take a V-Ray material. Let's go into diffuse, bitmap, and let's go into this. And let's assign this wooden floor over here. Let's go into this, add some reflections. Again, I'll go over here. Let's give some tiling. Again, I'll go down. Let's take V-Ray bump to normal. Connect it with a bump map. And let's give some tiling to it. Go to the modifier and let's give UVW map. And what I'll do is I'll go into the gizmo over here and I'll slightly I can rotate the texture over here, and if you want I can just fit it in this way. Alright, this looks a bit better. So let's select this. Let's again go into the material and again I'll take a V-Ray material and let's assign a color over here. And if reflection needs to be added, slightly I can add a bit of reflection and a bit of roughness to it. Again I'll go over here, I'll select this, I'll exclude this Windows stuff over here, exclude this, so again I'll go into the material, I'll take a V-Ray material and let's go over here and I'll take a wooden texture over here. I'll just assign it. So we need to exclude this. I'll add a bit of reflection to it. Go into the maps, diffuse roughness, let's give some tiling to it, and V-ray bump to normal, and let's connect it with the bump map over here. So I'll just again add some tiling. Let's go into this and add a UVW map. In this way. So let's select this. Let's select the polygons. So let's select the polygons over here. So let's go into the material and let's give a V-ray glass material. So let's add a V-ray material. Let's give some refraction as white. Let's give some color to it. Control I, inverse. So we can just name it as glass over here, and slightly we can add some reflections to it. Again add a V-ray, and let's take a black material, reflect it. Let's give some glossiness, Fresnel IOR if required, and isolate. Again go into this glass and we'll do the same over here, the same way, and isolate it. So this looks a bit better. Now what I'll be doing over here is like same way. Give the glass material, inverse it, select the polygons, inverse it, and isolate. So for this as well, so select this, we'll assign the same material. Again I'll go over here and let's give a glass material and isolate it. Again go into this, similarly the same way I'll assign this, again the glass material and isolate. Select the polygons, the glass material, inverse it. So let's just and isolate it as well, and let's render and see how it's going to look like. So we'll render it. So I'll just save the file once and render this file once. Alright. So this looks good enough. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel if you're not subscribed yet. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.